Hi everyone, I'm Jason. Today's video, Botslab sent me their brand new video doorbell. So in today's video, we're going to check it out and test it out. So Botslab reached out to me and asked me if I could test out their latest product, which is this guy right here. It's their Video Doorbell Elite Kit. And this is the R810SE. I'm not familiar with this product. There's not much on the sides. So it doesn't really tell me much. It just says it's a kit. This one looks like it might be battery powered. Let's open it up. Okay, so it looks like it comes in two boxes. There's one and there's another one. Look at that. Okay, so there's a camera, and it looks like it comes with a wireless chime as well. AI. Okay, over here, model number is the R810SE. 3 megapixel. It does come with a battery. And over here it says, with a base station. Protect your home office. So there. Alright, let me just put this aside. So what's over here? This is Video Doorbell Power Extension Kit. Easy installation, adjustable mount, 3-meter cable, and IP66. Wow, check that out. It looks like a solar panel. I've never seen one like that before. Adjustable arm. Pretty cool. USB-C. And there isn't anything else in there. Just move this aside. It's a nice panel. Okay, over here we got some clips. Two-way tape. Look, the USB wire goes in there. Some mounting screws. Need help? There's a card here for that. User guide, QR code, and download the app. Okay, I'm going to put this aside for now. Let's open this up. Okay. User guide. Got a little tool here. This is probably that helps you take it off the wall. Couple stickers. Please ring the doorbell. Express takeout. Please put it underneath the doorbell. Here's a quick start guide. Pretty thick. Whole bunch of different languages. User manual, I believe. What else do we got in here? Put that aside. Okay, we got a USB-C. A plug adapter. Mounting screws. And this. So that's our chime, wireless chime. And that's what this is for. There we go. That clicks right in place. There's a QR code, which we're going to probably have to scan onto our app. Just wanted to mention to you guys, on the chime, there is a reset button right over here. And on this side, there is a set button right here. And right over here is got an SD slot. So you can put your SD card here and it will record everything that's on the doorbell, which is great. You don't have to worry about somebody stealing your doorbell with the SD card in there. Put this aside for now. Let's see what else is in here. All right, put this aside. So we got an angle bracket with two-way tape. Flat bracket, but I do believe we need both. Yeah, we're going to need both. So the sticker design for the wall mount, if you want to, this one here, if you want to just mount it flat against the wall. And this one is if you want to angle it. Okay, put this aside. Let's check this out. So far, not too bad. It's a power button. Take this off. So there's the button. There's a little speaker here at the bottom. What's over here on the side? Where you charge it. So this looks like it's fully battery powered. So this is great if you don't have an existing doorbell, then this will be perfect for you. And there's your power button. Doesn't look like there's anything there. So it's pretty much straightforward. This is probably your motion detection. And there's your camera. If you guys are curious on the size, it's about 1.25 inches. And the length is about 6.25. Perfect. Okay, so let's download the app and let's test it out. Okay, so let's go to the App Store. This is the app we need. I just finished downloading it, so let's hit open. Okay, welcome. Okay, so we got the agreement. Press OK. So I gotta go sign up. Okay, now we're over here. Let's hit add device. We have to do allow. Okay, so what can we scan? Device QR code or shared QR code. I guess shared QR code is if you want to share this with another family member or a friend. So let's do got it. All right, so let's flip this upside down and scan the QR. Okay, before setup, unplug the base station and plug it back in. Okay, so I just plugged in the chime. I do have the light flashing now, so let's do next. Let's turn this on. There we go.
Welcome to Botslab Video Doorbell.
Okay, so I just turned my doorbell on. Next. Press the button. Yep, I hear the ding dong. Next. Look at that. Wow. Next. Keep your phone device close to your router. Got it. Okay, so enter my Wi-Fi password. Confirm. Not now.
Wi-Fi information received. Connecting to the network. Please wait.
Wow, I gotta say, this is probably the fastest doorbell installation I have ever done. I think it already comes pre-linked.
Wi-Fi connected. Device online.
You have to agree. Okay, name your doorbell. Next. Okay, unlock your AI skills. So intelligent notification is no charge. Intelligent search, no charge. Get it for free. Okay, my Wi-Fi connection is great. You can even do retest if you need to. Okay, please charge the doorbell before installation. Okay, so I could charge it, that's not a problem. Plus, I want to test that solar panel as well. Okay, let's go next. Confirm the placement. So that's find the best place for the chime. Go next. Okay, it's giving you mounting installations. Next. Okay, there's your solar panel. So it's asking you how to set that up. Obviously, put it towards somewhere where you get a lot of light. Next. So it gives you a couple more videos over here. Flat mount installation, angle mount installation. Well, it gives you everything. It said done. So extend warranty, 6 months for free. So claim now. I'm just going to hit no thanks. Building an encryption net channel, detecting device. Okay, it's not detecting it. I'm almost pretty sure the battery is dead on this. I'm going to charge it. Yeah, see, base is offline. Poor signal quality. I just pressed the doorbell button and it's not doing the ding dong. So that means I'm pretty sure the battery is dead. I'm going to charge it. Then we're going to try this again. Okay, so I'm opening up the app. Picked up a picture right away. Click on battery. 100%. Perfect. All right, let's go back over here. Since we're on the app, let's hit settings. Let's check out some of the settings here. Right here on the top, Wi-Fi signal. Great. Battery. Rechecked it. Fully charged. There's a picture of the chime and the doorbell. Ring alerts is on. We even have do not disturb. So here's our sensitivity. We can adjust it here. Battery management. Streaming only mode is on by default. All this right now you see here, this is all default. AI skills, 2 being used right now. Privacy zone and sound and volume. So over here we could do shared device. Just click on the share button. Charge-free accessories. I did not hook up the solar panel, but once again, we'll try that out. Notifications. We could have changed the notifications here as well. Since we're in notifications, I have to say, check this out. I'm holding the doorbell in my hands, and it's actually giving me full description of what it sees. Like, this is crazy. I have never seen a camera or a doorbell camera that could do this. It's literally seeing me sitting in my office chair, and it's even picking up the carpet. Like, this is crazy. Like, look at these messages I'm getting. Incredible. This is truly AI stuff here. Anyhow, let's get back to this. Latest firmware, right now, we got it. So anti-theft siren, right now it says closed. I'm not sure what that means. So yeah, so when we try to take it off the wall, it'll start screaming. So we'll activate this once we have this mounted. And change the Wi-Fi if we need to. So here now supports smart speakers and platform control. So we could connect this to Alexa or Google Home, device information network, installation guide. It gives you all the information here. So they really did make this very user-friendly. Now, are you guys seeing? I didn't do anything. This thing already came out of the box pre-programmed. Basically, just scan the QR code and add your Wi-Fi password. That is it. That's all the installation you have to do. You can use a two-way tape if you don't want to screw it into your wall. Okay, let's go back out. Okay, since we're here, I'm going to go mount this outside really quickly, and I want to see what it looks like during the day, and I'm going to wait till night, then we're going to check out the night shot. Okay, so here is our daytime shot. Surprisingly, this camera, look at the lens. We're catching quite a bit here. It's a very wide lens. You can even see below, so if you have a package, you can actually see it here. If you guys have an existing video doorbell, then you know exactly what I mean. This one here, you can see who's approaching the door, and you could see the floor. So you could see if there's a package left there. But because of the AI features, it tells you somebody is approaching your door with a package, which, once again, incredible. Okay, I'm going to wait till it gets dark, then I'll show you guys what it looks like at night. I just want to show you guys something. So when I use my smartphone, it can actually see the infrared LEDs on this camera. So this is what it looks like. All right, here's our night shot. Looks pretty good, pretty sharp. Obviously it's black and white, but you can actually see everything you need to see. So you guys have it. So that was the daytime shot and night shot. I kept getting all these alerts. Most video doorbells, you get an alert, but it just says motion detected or pet detected, human detected. This one here literally gives you a description of what it sees. Somebody standing at your door, covering their face. It actually will tell you that they have their face covered. This thing is incredible. I wish all doorbells had this feature. I kind of like getting the text message instead of the alert, just so that you already know what's going to happen when it happens. Anyhow, that's all I have for you guys today. If you guys are interested in this, I will have a link in the description where to get it. If you have any questions, please give me a comment below. If you like this video, give me those thumbs up. If you want to see more like it, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And like always, thanks for watching and have a great day.